Welcome back, guys. CryptoFly channel. Today, I would like to talk about Rune USDT trading pair with my custom set updates. Let's dive in. First of all, guys, I hope you didn't skip the first one and only, basically, the video about the Rune what I posted. It's a bull run plan for Thorchain. I posted in August 2023. And yes, Rune performed in 2023 to 2024 pretty good. And we tested 0.38 level by fee. Yes, some tokens, guys, perform better. Some will perform later, you know. But this cycle absolutely different. Absolutely different. So we can't even compare. Take a look at that price action here. So this is a like consolidation. It's a whole history of Rune, a crypto ticker, global one. So since June 19, just consolidation, pump, drop, COVID dump, and unstoppable move up. Take a look now. So this consolidation, up, down, up, down, up, down. So huge range, you know. Maybe it was the end of a cycle for this token. We can't know, guys. In a moment, now in a world, a lot of things change, you know, with geopolitics, with the macro, and you can see what happened last week, right? So how market sensitive, you know, for some news. So Trump posts one thing, boom, we pump. Trump posts another things, dump. So and alts dump harder than BTC. So that's a problem because the institutional with ETF, with all of that stuff, they hold the money and trying to save the money in the BTC, not in alts. So guys, unfortunately, not all altcoins will hit the new all-time high. Basically, this is absolutely the same fee, the same level, so you can go and double check. So absolutely the same levels. And we tested 0.38 level by fee, $10.89. And here, we tested even a little bit higher, 11.46. So guys, I highly recommend you not skip the post. And now we come back again to the same zone. To the same zone, guys. And take a look. I heard the Rune got some troubles, right, recently. I'm not diving too much into news now around Tor, but I saw some articles, right? So this is a low of June 2023. Basically, it's not necessary, so we should drop and sweep that low, or we can come back and sweep it later, right? But now, if you believe in this project, if you want to, all this time, you want to accumulate, but you miss it the right, here, you get once again the chance to accumulate because all of this zone, even since zone 22 to zone 23, it's accumulation zone for Rune. I'm not accumulate Rune, you know, so I have zero interest in this token. Technically here, what people drove on the chart looks like head and shoulder, right? So left shoulder, head, right shoulder, drop. And after that, we bounce it, sweep that liquidity pool. Take a look how the market makers hunt liquidity. This one. And crazy dump. So it's weird. It really, really weird charts, guys. So what's the point of that fundamental alts? You know, I already made a post about this. This things, take a look. We leave the liquidity, but I repeat, we can come back and sweep that liquidity later, like actual lows. But here on a daily, on a weekly and on a daily here, just a basic head and shoulder indicator. Here, we turn on the weekly, there's no head and shoulder, right? Like confirm it. But take a look on a daily, even this free indicator identified the head and shoulder, 1, 2, 3, and the target. Target was $2.79. And imagine it was like January 2024, and after new high, only in August 2024, we dump it and drop to that level, to that target. That's it, guys. Sometimes, you know, all of that patterns, they not playing out immediately, right? So that's also the problem. Another pattern, what we can build now, it's a double bottom. So here's a bottom, and now we can form another double bottom. And the size of that double bottom will be, I know, maybe over the new all-time high. So guys, I'm not sure about all alts will hit the new all-time high. So let's be real. Let's be real. So conservative price target for Rune, absolutely the same. So it's absolutely the same levels as this block, we'll be more than okay if we will see that targets fix some profit. Yes, I hope and I truly believe that liquidity will start inflow into alts, into Ethereum, in the other sectors and the tokens. But now we got a 35 million tokens around, and not all tokens pumped to new all-time high. There's not enough liquidity. So few of them will hit a new all-time high. So just be real with your expectations. For example, if you want to accumulate now and you believe in this project, so here around 1000% gains at $14.86 will be just an amazing result for Rune, I guess, you know, if we will see this target. And if you believe in new all-time high, it's at $31. Just to be honest, I don't think so. We will hit the $31, but everything possible. If you believe in next targets, you know, it's 48.65. So my take is more conservative. With this top, and maybe this one. Like you can leave like 25%, for example, for new all-time high. But of course, guys, it's just a subjective opinion, right? So now we're in accumulation. Let's take a look with the monthly time frame. Here we got a gap, close that gap. Now we got this one gap. This is a gap on the monthly. So I think anyway, sooner or later we will bounce to this one. It's $2.10 and the zero level again, like $4.25. So that's it. And of course, we got a chance to sweep the liquidity pool of June 2023 and drop it lower. So levels and the zones absolutely still the same, right? Also, I think just matter of time when we will go and sweep this high, and this high. So it's just a matter of time. Let's take a look, guys, with my custom record set on monthly and weekly time frame. What's going on now? ADZ I can't show you because it's a ticker, global one, not from exchange. Direction, we under middle line. So definitely, guys, if we talk globally, it's not that moment when we need to out of Rune and scream we go into hell, right? Because time to sell was around the middle line. Now we inside accumulation zone, so it's basically time for accumulation. Here, how it works on weekly, here was accumulation zone and time period. Here's accumulation time period pump. Here's once again accumulation. So we just start. What I don't like this cycle like extended in time for alts. It's kind of annoying, you know, because looks like cycle are good, you know, because BTC over than 100K, right? But take a look at alts. 966 days we trade. Here we started June 2022, this one. And imagine in February 2025, we trade even lower than June 2022. For me, it's kind of weird because, I don't know. Too much tokens, too much airdrop system tokens, right? Too much, hype around. Too much, some news, some fake news. So they give you some news in the media, and after that, some tokens or some sector pump it and dump it. So there is no like direct money inflow between the sectors. So now the main driver for the tokens is just memes. So every single main chain, perform only if they launch the memes. So we got a Sol, a pump fund. After that, the Justin Sun pump a TRX with Sun Pump. Then we got a BNB platform for memes, and all chains start to do the same. And it's kind of bad. What's the point of the utility tokens if they pump and dump? What's the difference between the memes and the tokens, for example, like Rune? What's the difference? Market mode on a weekly. So here we drop to this one, to capitulation zone. So gray color in the market, you can track by yourself. This is a capitulation. Here, pump, apheria, drop. So we're in the same condition like it was here. How long we're gonna trade it here? I don't know. Maybe 2 years more. So that's the point, guys. It's so annoying because this cycle extended in time. trade on. Sell, buy back, buy back, buy back. This is what I posted in Zone 23, June, July, or August, I guess. Here, around here. We pump, sell, 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 buy back, buy back, buy back, bounce. No buyback, no signal to buy or so. So I don't see any good some signals for Rune. Take profit. So here we trade under fundamental value, bounce, and come back under fundamental value. Kind of weird, really weird. Monthly time frame, no data. Daily time frame, so it's locally. Yes, we trade under fundamental value. So how it performed last time when we traded here, we drop it even lower, right? So here, when we drop under fundamental value on the daily, we dump it 31 and 46% lower, and start perform back. So here, we already dump it 60% lower on the fundamental value. So it's kind of weird also. So anyway, guys, sooner or later, with this sweep or without, we go and test the take profit line. So I think we, the first and the next conservative price target is close this monthly gap and test the buy, take profit line, where till that time will be the buy line. It's dynamic. Maybe it's going to be here. Maybe we'll trade like this one and bounce. And this time we will see by timing.Maybe it's going to be the, I don't know, autumn Zone 25 is going to be the time to out of all alts. So guys, yes, this cycle are 100% different. My conservative price target, I explained to you, targets for accumulation, I showed you. So to accumulate Rune or not, it's only up to you guys. Do your own research, but let's be real, the fundamental research absolutely doesn't work. Absolutely. So take care, guys. If you want to trade with my customer success, what I showed you in this video, just write me the DM, subscribe, change his like button, his notification button. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.